Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm right now over Canada, and I'm heading over Lake Erie on an IFR flight plan into southwest Ohio. Nothing big or exciting is going to happen. This is just normal flying by hand in a Cessna 172RG for 3 minutes. Enjoy it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. That land to the right is the United States of America. That's near the border between Ohio and Michigan. And this time of year, there is not a border with guards up, but there will be during the entire Big Ten football season.
Archer 89 Hotel, contact Great Lakes approach 118.8 today. 7 Papa Zulu, be Challenger traffic departing Pontiac off runway 9er, climbing to 3000. 7
Papa Zulu is looking for the traffic.
I'm just now about to reach my cruising altitude of 6,000 feet. And when I do, I move over to make some adjustments. So the first thing I did was I closed my cowl flaps. Now I'm adjusting my prop and adjusting my throttle to bring myself down to cruise speed of 2323. I had been at 2525 for cruise climb, but at this altitude I'm not getting the full 25 inches of manifold, so I was at full throttle 25.
Our 9er Alpha Sierra, are you currently direct destination? Our 9er Alpha Sierra, and at 4,500, it's going to put you right in the face of the metro departures. Would you prefer to go east or, correction, probably be easier to go west of metro? Our 9er Alpha Sierra, I still have to take you west or east of Metro Airport. Alpha Sierra, Roger. When able, proceed direct to Salem VOR, Sierra Victor Mike.
Looks like we're still in Canada, but our time is up. Thanks for flying with me. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Thanks and have a great day.